Just a sheet upon the table, white and simple, calm and still. Then a spark begins to travel, guided by a maker's will.
Fold it once and fold it twice, watch imagination fly. Tiny lines become a pathway to a world beyond the sky.
Scissors dance and ruler guiding, craft knife carving with precision. Every crease becomes a story born from passion and vision.
Hands are moving, minds are dreaming, every fold reveals a spark, turning paper into wonders, creating magic from the heart.
From a sheet to a dream, from an idea to a scene. Parrots, peacocks, spreading colors like the world has never seen. Rabbits jumping, eagles soaring, owls watching through the night. Scorpions crafted from imagination, bringing paper all to life. Hey, hey! Fold it, shape it, let it shine. Hey, hey! Turn a vision into life, one creation at a time.
A peacock opens paper feathers, shining bright in crafted grace. A parrot rests upon a branch, with colors lighting up the space.
An eagle spreads majestic wings, ready for a fearless flight. An owl guards the silent forest through the calm and moonlit night.
Scorpion tails and tiny details, every corner tells a tale. Patience mixed with dedication, making simple paper prevail.
Every artist sees a future hidden in a paper square, where
Where others see a simple surface, creators find a world in there.
from a sheet to a dream, from an idea to a scene. Parrots, peacocks, spreading colors like the world has never seen. Rabbits jumping, eagles soaring, owls watching through the night. Scorpions crafted from imagination, bringing paper all to life. Hey, hey! Fold it, shape it, let it shine. Hey, hey! Turn a vision into life, one creation at a time. Creativity has no limits, no boundaries to define. Every fold unlocks a universe, every crease becomes a sign.
Tools may help to shape the